In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new product to your GoDaddy website store. Whether you're rolling out a new physical item or launching a digital download, this process is straightforward and designed to have your store updated in no time. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Once it's open, head to the search bar and type in GoDaddy. After searching, click on the GoDaddy website link to access the main site. Now, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in to your account. GoDaddy makes this easy by allowing you to log in using your email, Facebook, or Google account. Choose whichever method is convenient for you. With access to your account, navigate to your product page. This is where you'll find all the options relevant to managing your website store. Look for the section titled Your Websites. You should see a list of the sites you manage. Locate your particular website from the list and click the Manage button next to it. This is your portal to all the customization and management features that GoDaddy offers. Once you're in the management panel, you'll gain access to the dashboard. Here, you want to find and expand the section labeled Store. This is the heart of your online shop management. Under the Store section, you should see an option for Products. Clicking on this will bring up your existing product list. Now it's time to add something new. Click the Add Product button to start the process of incorporating a new item into your inventory. GoDaddy will direct you to a new page where you'll specify some initial details about the product. Start by choosing the type of product you are adding. Is it a physical product that requires shipping or a digital product available for download? Make your selection accordingly. Next, it's crucial to upload a high-quality image or even a video of your product. Visual content is vital as it provides your customers with a better understanding of what they are purchasing, helping enhance their shopping experience. After you've taken care of visuals, proceed to the product details. Fill in all the necessary information such as the product name, price, any sale prices you might have, the SKU, and the appropriate product category. These details ensure your product is accurately represented and easily found by your customers. In addition to the basic details, GoDaddy offers tabs for added information. Use these to include a detailed product description, manage inventory levels, or set up additional options like size or color choices. This is where you can make your product listing as detailed and informative as possible. Once you've added all necessary information and reviewed it, hit the Save button. Instantly, your store will reflect this new addition, making it available for customers to see and purchase. And there you have it. Your GoDaddy store has been successfully updated with a new product. Adding products to your GoDaddy store is a crucial task that ensures your offerings are always fresh and up to date. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your store inventory and keep customers engaged with new and exciting products. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.